Kenya is open for business. And beyond what we are doing with governments, we have made a deliberate decision that going into the future, some of our public programs, we want to partner with the private sector in the delivery of those programs. Because we believe that private sector can bring on board greater expertise, better flexibility, and they can also mobilize finances from other sources to work with us to see how we can deliver some of our programs, deliver public goods in health, in housing, in technology, in cybersecurity, better and in a way that is collaborative. We have a program that we have laid out. I know many of you have worked with Kenya before. We now have a program as a new administration, and we are looking forward to partnership with those of you who have worked with us in Kenya before and those of you who want to work with us in Kenya now. We have made an intentional, deliberate decision to work with the private sector because we believe there is value they can bring on board. We are also consolidating our market beyond Kenya. We are consolidating the market around the EAC with about 300 million people, around the tripartite free trade area, and the Africa Continental Free Trade Area with a population of 1.2 billion people and a GDP of $3.5 trillion. As you think about investing in Kenya, you should have the horizon of beyond Kenya. And Kenya can be your launching pad into either the EAC or the tripartite free trade area or the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. By 2050, a quarter of the world's population will be living in the African continent. So if you haven't started to think about the future, you better start. That's where the market will be. That's where technology will be.